Wondering what a VPN is? You've come to the right place. Here's what it's all about. The term VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. As the name suggests, VPNs are a secure way of accessing the internet and keeping your connection private. And they're more important than ever for your digital privacy. Without a VPN, here's how it all goes down. When you browse the internet, your internet service provider gives your devices an IP. This IP address uniquely identifies your device and allows it to send and receive information. It's almost like your digital address. Regular internet connections are not encrypted. So, without a VPN, your internet service provider, your government, and everyone else snooping knows what you do online. What's more, depending on the legislation of the country you're in, your internet service provider can track, monitor, store, and even sell your data and browsing history. This treasure trove of private information is targeted by governments, authorities, hackers, marketers, and data miners. So, it's time for you to regain your right to anonymity. To counteract all the online surveillance, you need a VPN. When you use a VPN, your traffic goes through an encrypted tunnel. Your data can no longer be intercepted. Your internet service provider only knows you're connected to a VPN server, but can't see anything else anymore. And because your IP is hidden by the VPN, websites can no longer keep track of you either. So there you have it. A VPN encrypts your data and adds a layer of privacy to protect your identity. It also gives you plenty of other benefits. Browse anonymously, hide your IP address, bypass geo restrictions, torrent anonymously, stay protected even on public Wi-Fi networks, evade censorship, and fight the system.